The Three Body Problem, translated by Ken, is a science fiction novel which traces the efforts of disillusioned Chinese scientists who implore alien life to come to Earth to forcibly redeem humanity. When the novel begins in the 1960s, China is in the midst of its cultural revolution, in which various factions in the Communist Party, especially among young members, accuse one another of not being radical enough. Countless die, including Yi Wingji's father, a professor who is beaten to death by four teenager girls with belts. Yi Wingji, an academic in the field of astrophysics herself, is forcibly conscripted into a unit of Chinese civilians responsible for deforestation near Radar Peak, which breaks her heart. She meets a reporter named Bai Mulin, who, like Yi Wingji, has a soft spot for the environment, something the communists consider weak and Western. Wingji helped Bai to write a letter urging the party to reconsider its stance on the environment, but this lands her in serious trouble. Wingji is given a choice based on her stellar academic credentials. She can join the operations of Red Coast Base on Radar Peak, or she can face severe punishment. Wingji chooses Red Coast Base and there helps to monitor for signals from extraterrestrial or alien life. As the years pass, Wingji marries the base commander and settles into a comfortable routine of work, sending out messages about Earth to any life that may receive them. Finally, a message returns from the Trisolan civilization on the planet Trisolaris. The message is warning not to respond or Earth's coordinate will be identified. Wangji, believing the humans of Earth need a moral awakening by an outside force, responds. The Trisolarans, who have endured unpredictable lives due to the erratic rotation of three suns, decide to conquer Earth. It will take them 450 years to reach Earth, and they know that by their arrival human beings will have superior technology, so they hatch a new plan. Decades pass. Working with Wenji's growing group of supporters who share the idea of alien invasion, the Trisolarans begin to undermine human faith in science and technology so that they will begin to lose their sense of progress and purpose, while at the same time sending two alien protons of Earth to disrupt scientific results. As this occurs, numerous scientists begin to commit suicide or are found dead, with all of them declared they have lost faith in science. Wang Miao, a non-materials researcher, is contacted by a secret international network of political, military and scientific members called the Battle Command Center, who are seeking to solve the mystery surrounding the scientific community. Wang befriends the gruff military veteran turned police detective Shai Quang, and the two undertake further investigation. At the same time, Wang discovers an online game called Three Body, in which the physical environment of Trisolaris is presented for players to attempt to solve regarding the three suns. The game ends with the player being told that the planet is hopeless and a new home must be sought. As Wang plays, he is invited to join a group of players which he discovers to be Wangji's group. It is then that he learns there are factions within the group, including those who want the Trisolaran alliance to forcibly redeem and improve humanity, and those who want the Trisolarans to exterminate humanity. It is also learned that those who wish for extermination have been withholding critical Trisoloran message from the others. The meeting is broken up by Shai and a unit of soldiers and policemen. Using nanotechnology in the form of razor-sharp wires to slice apart the group's traveling radar system ship, Wang and Battle Command learn the truth about the Trisolarans and reveal this to Wenji. Wenji is less stern than annoyed. The Trisolarans then send a message to all humankind to announce their existence and intentions called humankind bugs. This causes Wang to fall into despair, but Shai reminds Wang that despite superior technology, humans have not been able to conquer bugs. Wenji is later given access to the old Red Coast base ruins where she presumably commits suicide, reflecting on the sunset of humanity. So the main motive of this book, extremism, is dangerous in general and dangerous to the human race in particular. Various forms of extremism exist, including extremism against extremism, and all ultimately prove dangerous not only in general but to the human race in particular.